Hello everyone, today we are doing a project on the topic voice controlled home automation. In this we will use an Arduino Uno, a relay, a Bluetooth module, batteries for external power, this plug, the motor for this fan and bulb along with some jumper wires. This is an Arduino Uno. This will help in making the projects. There are two areas, one digital pin area and analog pin area, and this will be the area in which we will upload the code, and the code will be uploaded here. This is a relay. This is like an electrical switch. There are two switches here, 1 and 2. And we can control this with the help of the Arduino. These are the batteries we will use for the fan. This is the plug which we will connect of the bulb. And this is a Bluetooth module which will be used to send signals to the phone. My friend Sanath here will do the wiring of the project.
First, we have to connect the jumper wires from the Arduino. First, we will connect Arduino from the Bluetooth module.
And now my friend Himang is doing the coding for the project.
Const int bulb equal to 6 and const int fan equal to 9. Pin 6 is connected to IN1 of relay and pin 9 is connected to IN2 of relay. The void setup defines the wiring part of the Arduino and the relay.
We will click this button to verify our code. If this is shown, it means our code is correct. Now we will plug this.
Since now Himang has done the coding, we'll take the phone and open the app from which we will control. We'll go here, connect to this one. Now it's connected. All we need to do now is give the command. First I will do the bulb. Bulb on. Now the bulb is on, and to turn it off we simply have to say bulb off. Bulb off. Now it is off. And now second one is fan. Turn on the fan. Now it is on, and to turn it off we have to do turn the fan off. Now it is off. Our project is now finally complete.